friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and today I'm bringing you the after video of organizing my embroidery floss. I didn't make a before video because I thought it wasn't that bad of a project. I knew this tray was going to be a chore, and I started on it because it was in another drawer. By the time I got to this drawer, I thought, uh-oh, I'm running out of steam. I didn't know there were drawers in there that didn't even have a color theme. But this is how it turned out. I put it in rainbow order and just tried to pick a color to break at. I probably could have put orange onto the next and slid everything you'll see. And I put my smaller ones in just a half skein instead of the double. I know that there are a million different ways to do embroidery floss. You can do it in books, binders, wrap it around the papers. This works for me because I don't cross stitch, so I'm not looking for a specific number. I'm just looking for a family color to use it on a card or a mixed media project. Aren't you guys surprised at how little blue I have? I expected to have more, but I found some gorgeous purples when I was tidying that I didn't know I had. And this drawer is earth tones, which I have a lot of. I think it's probably from like garage sale shopping, a lot of 70s in there. Use a method that works for you, and I hope that you're finding success in tidying. This is my reject section. I do have that gray one I need to turn into a circle. I was super excited to find the needle nest that I'd completely forgotten that I had, and I did find a nice pair of little tiny embroidery scissors in there too. Okay, happy weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.